Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. A quadrilateral has external angles x, 2x, 3x, and 4x. Find the size of the smallest exterior angle. So we know that the total for exterior angle is 360 degrees. So we'll add up all these angles and equate them to 360 degrees. So we have x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 360 degrees. So this total, then x equals to 360 degrees. So x will be 36 degrees. Okay, that is x. You want to find the size of the smallest angle, which is x, so is 36. Now you want to find the size of the smallest interior angle. So the smallest interior angle should have the largest exterior angle. So the largest exterior angle is 4x. Okay, so and we know that the exterior angle and the interior angle total is 180 degrees. So we take 180 degrees minus the largest exterior angle. Okay, so we'll get the smallest interior angle, which is 36 degrees. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are a miracle.